Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicolle. Today we're going to talk about basic jigs. Okay, so to get started, place your boron where your ribs are. And now if you've never done this before, you're only starting, hold your boron here, like on the side. Maybe you have a bar. I usually prefer to put my hand just here and just place it down, not flat, but just like cup it and just put it down here. Okay, so just hold it. Don't worry about the left hand, the tonal hand. Don't worry about that right now. Just make sure you're comfortable. Okay, now I'm gonna hold it like a pen for now, and then I'll move on to my my regular rib. And if you need help with this, I'll put a link down below, sorry, and you can check out the video. Okay, so like a pen, okay, towards your belly button. Now put it against your chin, and don't worry, you're not gonna play like this all the time. It's a good start. Okay, now make sure your elbow is not like that. It's not out, but make sure it's not too tight in. You know, just be comfortable. Okay, now what you want to do is you're gonna go in and out. So it's gonna be kind of like a C. It's gonna be in and out. Okay, now you're gonna do the same backwards. And back to your chin. And again. And again. To your chin. Down. Up. Down, up. So if you can see, I'm not hitting it really lightly, because otherwise you won't get any sound. So don't be afraid of hitting it. Okay, so it's gonna be down. So it has some sort of it has some intent into it. It has some power. Okay, so down and up. Okay, now what you want to remember is that if you are holding your tipper completely parallel like that, you won't get any sound. It's going to be really hard to get a sound out of it because it's too parallel. So what you need to do is move the angle of your tipper, but don't overdo it. You don't want to do this, okay? And you don't want to do this either. So find whatever makes you comfortable, and it also depends on the tipper. You know, the thicker it is on the end, the easier it will be to actually hit the skin. The thinner it is, you know, the less surface you have to actually make a sound. Okay, so once you have that, don't place the tipper against your chin anymore. Just keep the C. Don't forget the C. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now sometimes you might get some sort of like a sound. Don't worry, that's probably the angle that you're doing, that you're not doing enough force. So just play around with it. Try different angles. If you do it here, what it's gonna sound like. If you do it there, just don't overdo it either way. Just find the medium, the happy medium. Okay. So now let me do it again. I'm gonna do a couple of repeats, and then I'm gonna speed up a little bit more. I'll stop and speed up, and if you need to pause the video and go back, please do. Be patient with yourself. You can do it. Just try your hardest, but don't overdo it. Okay, so here we go. Slow. Good job. Okay, now let's try it a little bit faster. Ready? Good. Okay, now I'm going to talk about jigs. So what you want to think about when you think of jigs is you have to count to 6. So a jig time is in 6/8. So you need to count 1 through 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. To make it a jig time, you need to put the emphasis on the 1 and the 4. So let's say it first. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's really important. If you don't have the emphasis in the 1 and the 4, it's not really a jig anymore, okay? So try to say it with me again, and then we'll play it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, okay. Now the emphasis on the 1 is going to be a downbeat, meaning that you're going to hit it downwards. And the 4, it's actually going to be an upbeat, so you're going to go upwards, okay? Now you're not doing anything differently. It's still down, up, but the emphasis are really important. So jig time, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 1, 4. Okay? And I've taught some people that well, most people have a little bit of a hard time going up because it's just such a weird movement for the hand. It's not very natural to go up like that. But I've actually met some people that find the downward emphasis quite hard. So be patient with yourself and try to figure out which one's easier for you and try to work on the other one, the one that you're not very good at, okay? So just make sure that you put force into the down, okay? You can practice it just down, and it's the same thing. It's still a C, it's just I'm not doing this anymore, okay? It's just down, down. And now let's try the up one. So it's gonna be up, 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 okay? So now let's practice it again, and I'm gonna do it a little bit faster, okay? Ready? And good. And then you want to make sure that it's really easy to put an emphasis on the 1 and the 4, and then suddenly everything turns into an emphasis. So what I mean by that is like you start and it turns into, and that's just the same thing. It's just you're just playing louder. So make sure that the 1, 2, 3, the 2, 3 are very soft. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna start slow for a bit, and then I'm gonna pause and do it a little bit faster, pause, and a little bit faster, okay? Okay, ready? Okay. 1. That was too fast, wasn't it? Sorry. A little bit faster. The last one a little bit faster. Good. There's another thing that some players teach. It's rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages. So you can try that as well. Ready? Rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages. And some people put bacon and eggs. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do it with the rashers, and then we'll do it with the number. So rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages, rashers and sausages, bacon and eggs, rashers and sausages, rashers. Now let's do it with numbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. The next part of the video, I'm actually going to use the left hand. Okay? So take a break now, and I would suggest have a cup of tea, wash the dishes, go for a walk, and then come back and repeat the video as many times as you need. Be patient with yourself and keep at it, okay? See you in the next part. Hi guys, I hope you had a nice cup of tea, a nice rest, and let's get on with the tonal hand, okay? So for the hand, I use the bass as my 1, and then in the middle, or I call it the snare, as my 4. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So the right hand is the same thing. So it's gonna be. I'm gonna change ribs now. I'm gonna do my usual one. Okay? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how it's gonna sound. Now I'm gonna do it slower. Can you hear the tones changing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice that I'm not dragging my hand up. So you have to kind of move your hand before you hit the 4. Because if you move your hand on the 4, you're gonna be late, okay? So don't think about it too much. Just try to get your hand on the 4. Well, just a little bit before the 4. So it's ready, and then I press on the 4. Okay? So because if you press before the 4, you'll have it on the 3. So 1, 2, 3, rather than 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to do it a little bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to do it a little bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster? Yeah? Ready? A little bit faster? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Keep going, you're doing good. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beginnings. Now I want to show you what you can do after you've mastered this. After you master the basics of the different things that you can do with a jig. Yeah, so this is the very basic. It's just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can do the same rhythm with different stick patterns, so different tones. So this is actually the same, I'm just going higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, So that's kind of what you can do. This is what we can work on together, and we can get to that level. But just let me know if you have questions, and I hope you enjoy the video. Slowly we'll start getting more complicated stuff, but if you want it now, just comment down below and I'll do a little bit something more advanced. Yeah? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!